Hi everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today, for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how you can log out from your Google Drive account. So for that, open the Google Drive application on your mobile device. As you can see, you are currently logged in into the account of yours. So to log out from this, what you will have to do is tap on the profile name on the top right, and there you will have your option. Now here on this page, you need to tap on manage accounts on this device. Tap that. It will direct you to this account page on your phone. From here, what you have to do is tap on that email address that you have logged in into the Google Drive. And here you need to tap on remove account. Tap that. Removing this account will delete all of its messages, contact and other data from phone. Tap on remove account. With that, this account particularly will only be removed from your Google Drive and rest of your will be remain same. So this is how you can log out from the Google Drive account of yours. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thanks for watching till the very end.